Culinary arts versus baking. Which path is right for you? A sizzling pan or the sweet aroma of freshly baked bread? Which calls out to you? Culinary arts is a dance of flavors, a world where 75% of chefs believe creativity is the key. It's fast-paced, diverse, and requires a knack for multitasking. Baking, on the other hand, is the art of precision. A recent study showed that 90% of successful bakers attribute their success to patience and attention to detail. While culinary arts demand adaptability and on-the-spot decisions, baking is a science, where a gram can make all the difference. Both paths offer rewarding careers, but the choice depends on your temperament. Do you thrive in dynamic environments or prefer structured precision? Join IBCA today and take the first step towards your professional journey to become a master baker or a culinary artist.